Hello guys, welcome to the final part of the video of fixing the LGA 775 motherboard. It doesn't give me the signal to my LCD monitor. In my previous videos I showed you that the two capacitors right here, 6.3 volts, were faulty and I had to replace them. I already did that in my first video, and right now they're not bulgy anymore, so they look fine. As you can see, you have to be very careful when you mount it on the board. This is the part that it has to when you actually put it here on the board, you can see this part has to be here and to the other side of the capacitors and right here. So all you have, it's quite simple to actually mount on the motherboard. The problem is when I try to turn it on, it actually turns on for a few seconds, and after that it just shuts itself down. I think there is another problem related with this motherboard. I think the VRM here on the processor, you see the VRM regulators of the CPU, one of them might be faulty. I do have a multimeter here, but unfortunately I cannot measure exactly. I'm going to show you exactly what it does so you can make an idea. I do have one, but this multimeter, it just it doesn't allow to, even if I try to measure something, it doesn't allow me to measure what I want. So yeah, anyway. Okay, I'm going to start from here and go to the other part. Okay. As you can see, the regulator, that seems fine. This part, this one too, the second one too. Okay, let's try the next one. Put the ground here so you can actually see what exactly happening here on the board. All the regulators, they seem fine, but you cannot actually I had to use another multimeter because this one does work, but it doesn't allow me to measure the direct continuous current. It only allows me to measure the ohms, and it's not good anyway, but I'm still going to show you. See? Now, I checked all the components here on the board before making this video, and they all seem to have life in it, so none of them seems to be faulty. It could be a problem with the BIOS. The BIOS is located right here. This one with green flyer here, you see, anyway. But I'm not sure exactly, but I'm gonna have to check the schematics, the electronic schematics, see how it actually works, and which components are here installed and are actually faulty. And still, I'm going to show you how it actually turns and then shuts himself off. Right here underneath there is a Pentium 4 processor, and this is the 1 gig Kingston memory, DDR2. Yeah. And this motherboard is made by Acer, is actually G41, and it actually supports the processor, the Core 2 quads. They are running at the frontside bus at 133 MHz, and it could be actually a good board anyway. So I'm going to turn on the computer and see how it's turning out anyway. You need to short this to one. This is the power switch for the Acer, okay, for these boards anyway. This color also goes for the Asus. Asus actually makes it has the same pins colored with red. So all you have to do is just short these pins too, these two pins, and the computer turn on, but there is no signal. It's going to stay up for a few more seconds, and after that will shut off, as you can see right here. Yeah. Anyway, I checked the video card. The video card is in fully working condition. This is the GeForce 6200 64-bit. It does work very well, actually. I tested many systems with this video card. I also entered the Windows with it, and it has no problems. Also, the power supply is 750 watts, and also I know the multimeter just working, but it doesn't allow me to measure the direct continuous current right here, only in ohms. And since I don't have the proper tools to actually fix this motherboard, I'm going to quit right now. Anyway, for me, it actually worth trying to replace the capacitors and see all of that. Yeah. Anyway. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please ask me, and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Bye.